Hello, wonderful foodies! Welcome back to Tasty Bite Hub. Today, we're stepping into the realm of breakfast bliss with not one, but two fantastic renditions of creamy avocado toast. Get ready to dive into flavors that'll brighten up your mornings. Avocado toast, a breakfast classic that's here to stay. Our star players today: ripe avocados, wholesome whole grain bread, and a medley of toppings that'll make your taste buds dance. Let's start with the savory twist. Mash that creamy avocado, spread it over toasted whole grain bread, and let the flavor journey begin. Tomatoes for a burst of freshness, mozzarella cheese for a tangy kick. It's a delightful symphony. And now, we're switching gears to the sweet side. Same creamy avocado goodness, but with a touch of sweetness. Mulberries for a burst of color and antioxidants, and a drizzle of honey for that golden touch. Time to indulge. The savory, a dance of flavors on your palate. And now, the sweet, a melody of textures and tastes. Two sides of avocado toast, both equally scrumptious. And there you have it, our creamy avocado toast, two ways. Whether you're in the mood for savory or have a sweet tooth, there's an avocado toast for every craving. Thank you for joining me in exploring the world of creamy avocado toast. If you enjoyed these variations, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more scrumptious recipes. Until next time, keep savoring those delicious moments and cooking with love.